Hi friends, welcome to Tbsp Kitchen. Today I show you how to make Vonn with sugarcane jaggery, which is also called Mangane. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have thick and thin coconut milk. I have used one medium sized coconut to extract this thick and thin coconut milk. 2 cups of thick coconut milk and 5 cups of thin coconut milk. 1 teaspoon sugar, 200 grams of sugarcane jaggery. You can use more if you want more sweet. You can adjust it according to your taste. 6 pieces of green cardamom, Elachi, handful of Cashewnuts, 5 tablespoons Tapioca Pearls, sabudana, 200 grams boiled Chana dal, and a pinch of salt. Now in a pan we'll add the thin coconut milk. And jaggery. We'll cook it on high flame for 5 minutes till the jaggery dissolves. Our jaggery is dissolved. Now we'll add a washed tapioca pearls, sabudana. Mix. Now again we'll cook it for 5 minutes till the tapioca pearls turns transparent. Our tapioca pearls have started to get transparent. Now we'll add thick coconut milk. Chana dal, sugar, cardamom and Cashewnuts, pinch of salt, mix well. Now we'll cook it on a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Our Vonn Mangane is ready. Now let's plate it up. Our sugarcane jaggery Vonn Mangane is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.